Alright, got a 2017 Silverado. I'm going to show you how to get to your cabin filter, you know, where it's located and everything. It's actually going to be behind your glove box here. You're going to need to remove your glove box. You're going to have to take out 4 screws. You're looking at 1, 2. These are Torx T15s. And there's actually 2 more down here at the bottom. There's one here. I've already taken them out. There's one here. Alright, so once you get the screws out, all you got to do is close the glove box and pull on it, and the whole thing will come down. And what you're looking for is you're looking for this right here. This is where the filter is actually located at. You're going to pull this tab down, and there's one over here. Pull that one down, okay? And then you can remove the door. There's the filter right there, okay? Just take note of the airflow direction. When you get your new filter, they'll probably say airflow, and it'll have an arrow on it. I'll leave a link down in the description box if you need a filter. Pull this guy right out. We'll check this guy out. This guy is pretty clean. It's been replaced recently, so I'm not going to be replacing it. When you get your new one, just stuff it back in and replace everything that you took out. It's pretty simple.